Welcome to Tutorial Lore. In this video, I'll show you 5 simple steps to take high-quality product photos and videos for your Shopify store. Let's get started. Step 1. Set up good lighting. Use natural light or a soft light source to avoid harsh shadows and highlight your product's details. Step 2. Choose a clean background. Use a white or neutral background to keep the focus on your product. For lifestyle shots, place the product in a relevant setting. Step 3. Capture multiple angles. Take photos and videos from various angles, front, back, side, and close-ups, to give customers a complete view. Step 4. Edit for a professional look. Use editing apps like Lightroom or Canva to adjust brightness, contrast, and sharpness for high-quality visuals. Step 5. Upload and optimize. For fast loading, add alt resize images for fast loading, add alt text for SEO, and ensure your product looks great on all devices. That's it. Now you know how to take high-quality product photos and videos for your Shopify store. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. I do not intend to violate any copyright restrictions. If you have any copyright concerns or other inquiries, please email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.